Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 1.3 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings. Then choose Device Connection and tap on Pair New Device. Over here you need to wait for available ones to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up right now and wait for this, in my case Motorola, to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by clicking on this little gear icon next to the device and tapping Forget. Then confirm your choice by tapping on Forget Device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!